In everything we do across our network of manufacturing sites, Sanofi is also improving the environmental sustainability of its medicines manufacturing process to lessen our impact on the planet. We have strengthened our commitment through the Planet Mobilization Programme and implemented an approach that covers the entire life cycle of our medicines, from production to their use. Sanofi has committed to achieving carbon neutrality by 2030 and net zero emissions by 2050, reducing its greenhouse gas emissions by 55%. We're also introducing an eco-design approach for all new products by 2025 and top-selling products by 2030. Most recently, we launched a €3 million Planet Mobilization Fund to support employee ideas and projects that will further contribute to a healthier environment. Sanofi is dedicated to not only working to improve outcomes for people living with diabetes, but also helping to realize a greener planet.